I wonder where this is from WDFA.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Block Island Sound, Buzzards Bay, coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Coastal waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard extending out to 20 nautical miles south of Block Island, Nantucket Sound, Narragansett Bay, Rhode Island Sound, Vineyard Sound, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles north of New Bedford to Popasquash Point to 11 nautical miles northwest of Charlestown, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Squidnocket Bight, Menemsha Bight, Sackett Point Light, West Point, Mount Hope Bay, Point Judith Light, Yeahead Light, Rocky Point, Quonset Point, Melville, Popasquash Point, the coastal waters south of Martha's Vineyard, Vineyard Sound, Plum Beach Light, Buzzards Bay, Cape Hodge Light, Edgertown Harbor, Charlestown Breachway, Dutch Harbor Light, and West Island in Buzzards Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.